As the end of the school year draws closer, one of the things you have to start thinking about is what you're going to do with your materials in Schoology. Fortunately, Schoology makes it a way for you to back up all of the materials in any of your courses and store them so that they can be later imported into your new courses. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and back up this course, but before we do, we're going to go and create a section in a little area in Schoology where things can be saved, which is called resources. And when we click over here in resources, you can see here I have all of these little different backup files, and I have quizzes and all things that I've created that I want to bring into my course. So I'm going to create a folder, or what Schoology calls a collection, for all the courses for this school year. And this way it'll be easier for me to find them come the fall. So over here next to my resources, I'm going to click this box that says Add Collection, and then I'm going to title it, so just so I'll be able to navigate and find these come the fall. I'm going to name it Backups for this school year. So then I'm going to hit Create. Okay, so now the folder is ready where I'm going to put all of my 2024, 2025 classes. So I'm going to come back over and I'm going to navigate to the course that I want to back up. So now the rest is very simple. All you're going to do is come to the course. You're going to look for this drop down at the top of your course that says Options, and then you're going to click Save Course to Resources. Now, default folder it's going to save to, or collection as they called it, is Home. We're going to change this to the collection or folder that we just created. So here it is, 2024, 2025 backups. I want it to go in there. I'm not going to create any subfolder, and then I'm going to hit Submit. Once that's done, you're going to get a notification up here that it is in the process of doing that, and you can view the transfer history as it's going through. We're just going to go over to resources and see if our course is there. So I'm going to click on resources. I'm going to go to my 2024-2025 backups folder, and you can see here, this is the course, and all the course materials from this course are in here in the order that they were in your course. So you can see I have week 1, week 2, everything that's within here is also in here, making this very easy for me to import into a brand new course, which will be in another video. I hope you found this video helpful, and good luck backing up all your courses.